In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim rewards on Binance. Let's dive right in and make sure you get the most out of your Binance experience by redeeming the rewards you've earned. Follow along step by step, and soon you'll have those rewards in your account. First, start by heading over to the Binance website, which is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Whether you're using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoins, Binance offers a wide range of options. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can start the process without any hitches. If you haven't created a Binance account yet, you might want to set that up first, as it's necessary to access your rewards. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit option on the Binance homepage. This is typically easy to spot on the main navigation bar. Clicking on deposit will take you a step closer to finding your rewards. While you might be more familiar with using the deposit function for adding funds, in this context, it guides you further into your account settings. Now, proceed by locating the Rewards Hub. To do this, click on your profile icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, you should see Rewards Hub. This is where all your collected rewards can be viewed and managed. It's a handy spot for checking what Binance benefits are available to you, so don't overlook any potential bonuses here. Inside the Rewards Hub, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Points. Think of this as the central area for tracking all the points you've accumulated. Here, you can explore how many points you have and what they're worth. It's a straightforward and intuitive interface designed to help you easily manage your reward points. Next up, you want to find the Claim section. Once you're here, you'll be able to see a list of potential rewards that you can actually redeem. Look through what's available and what you'd like to redeem. It might be bonus funds, special offers, or discounted trades. Whatever it is, this is where you begin to cash in. Finally, click on Claim Reward. This will finalize the process, ensuring that whatever you choose is credited to your account. Confirm the reward claim as prompted, and you're all set. Enjoy your newly redeemed rewards and the added benefits they bring to your trading activities. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you never miss out on any rewards you've earned on Binance. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides. Happy trading!